Hi guys, this is Vikas from PowerPoint World. Welcome you all guys in my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a 3-step infographics like this in just PowerPoint. So this is our tutorial number 174, and if you are new on these channels then please don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video on this channel. Also share the videos from your friends and family so that they can also learn to create the infographics and a lot of stuffs in PowerPoint. So without wasting any further time guys, let's get started. So just click on insert option and choose a blank slide over here. Copy the color sample from previous slide and paste on the new slide like this. Okay. Now I will copy the whole group of this item to the new slide just for the reference guys. Now we will change the background color. So we will fill it with the solid color. So I am going to choose a solid color for this like this. Okay. Or maybe some lighter color like this. Okay. Now this is for the reference. So I am going to keep it separately here. And let me show you guys which type of elements are combined to get a shape like this. So I am going to right click over here and ungroup the item by clicking this ungroup option inside the group option. Okay. So after this you will find here is a triangle. Here is two triangles at the both side. Here is another shape and this is the last shape and this is the shadow effect. So these are the shapes I have created, and after combining these shapes I get a effect like this guys. Okay. So I am going to group this item again and start creating it. So first you will have to click on insert option. Here you will find the shape option. Just click on that and choose a rectangle option over here. So drag a rectangle like this. After dragging this you have to make it no outline by clicking on this particular option inside the shape outline option. Okay. Now again click on insert option and choose a isosceles triangle from this and drag a isosceles triangle like this. Make it no outline by just clicking on this icon because I have already used this option previously. So now I will fill this shape with a different color, like I am going to use the red color for the temporary purpose. Later on we will change the color also. Okay. So now put it at the bottom, like I'm going to place it over here and drag it to cover the other corners like this. Now what I'm going to do, let me zoom in and see the corners are set or not. So we have to drag it over here, and now we will select all these two shapes and make a union. So I'm going to, before doing this, I'm going to reduce the size of this shape like this much and select this shape. Click on format, and inside the format option you will find the merge shape option. Just click on that and say union. Now this is a single shape now. So now what I am going to do, I will press Ctrl D to make another duplicate copy of this shape. Okay. And now drag a rectangle over here, fill it with a different color, like I am going to use a red color here. And subtract this portion from the blue shape. So I am going to subtract it. We will rest with this shape. Now fill it with the different color, like temporary I am going to fill it with this color. Just make it small and put it over here like this. To remove this extra portion guys, so I am going to remove it, like I am going to subtract it again, and we will rest with this shape. Now we will choose a triangle. Okay, so I am going to click on insert option and choose a right triangle from here. So here you will find the option of right triangle, right? So I am going to click on this option and drag a triangle like this. Now remove the outline and fix it this shape, something here. Place this something here. Okay. Now drag it to here and drag this shape something here. Press Ctrl D and flip it horizontally. Flip it horizontally. After flipping it, place it over here. Now we're done with this shape guys. So now we have to create this shape. Okay. So I'm going to make a duplicate copy of this shape and put this shape over here, right click over here and send it to the back. Now make another duplicate copy of this shape and put it over here like this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose this red shape, press Ctrl and choose this shape, and inside the merge shape option I'm going to subtract this. Now we rest with this shape, guys. Okay, now we are already done with the shapes, guys. So I'm going to provide this a color. So I'm going to choose a gradient fill option for this. It will automatically fetch the two color palettes from the slide because I have already just used this type of two colors. So one will be the darker green and other handle will be the lighter green options. So you have to do the same thing. Now I'm again going to fill this shape with the gradient fill. It will again fetch the color from the previous slide. So this is how you can fill the color. So now it's time to change the color of this shape. So I'm going to choose a white color for this. So now we are ready with this shape. Okay, the final thing, we have to make a shadow effect over here, the reflection effect over here. So to do the reflection effect, what I'm going to do, I will choose an effect option over here, and inside the effect option you will find the reflection option. Just click on that and choose a presets of this half reflection 8pt like this. Okay, and make the distance something this much, and the size should be greater so that we can see the whole shadow of this particular shape. Okay, now it's time to create a shadow. We're done with the reflection. Now it's time to create a shadow like this. So to do that, what I'm going to do, click on insert option, choose an oval option from here. After choosing the oval option, we will drag it like this and make it no outline. After doing this, inside the effective option you will find the soft edges option. Just click on that and choose 2.25 points from the presets option and decrease these points like this much. So I'm going to choose a color for this shadow. So I'm going to choose this color and put this shadow over here, send it to back, right click over here and send it to back like this. Okay, now we are done with this shape. The final thing we have to do is we have to put the text as well as these text as well as the icons. Put this icon over here, and here you can copy the text from this slide. Press Ctrl C and press Ctrl V to make a copy and put it over here, guys. Okay, now we'll select all these three things and make a group like this. So this is how. One more thing you will have to do, you will have to copy this text from the previous slide and put it over here on the new slide. So I will also explain the type of text I'm using in this particular slide, guys, so don't worry. I'll put it over here and make a group with this by pressing Ctrl G on the keyboard. Okay, so don't worry, I will explain each and every steps, guys. So you can see for this text I'm using Appraisda and the text size is 9. Now for this heading I'm using this particular text, and for this I'm using this particular text. Okay, so we don't want this now, so I'm going to delete it, and let me zoom out and let me see how it's look like. It's looking really very perfect, guys. So I'm going to select all these shapes and pressing Ctrl G to make a single group so that we can move it from one place to another place. Okay, so now put it over here, press Ctrl D and place this duplicate copy over here. Again press Ctrl D and place this duplicate copy over here. Now fill these three different shapes with a different gradient fill. So I'm going to choose a gradient fill option from here, and for the left handle what I'm going to use, I will use the red color for the left handle. Now for the right handle I will use again the red color, but we want to use the lighter version of this red color. So I'm going to again click on this color option and choose a more color option from here so that we can get a predefined handle on this. Now we'll have to just drag this handle upside to make the color lighter. Okay, now I'm going to use this particular color, which is the lighter version of the red color. Okay, so now you can get an effect like this. Okay, so for the bottom side what I'm going to do, again I'm going to use this color for the left side and this is the lighter red color for the right side. Now you have to do the same with the third color. third shape. So this is how you can create a shape like this. Okay, now to create this you can use the squares, small squares, and make it a group. And for this text I am using Calibri 24. So this is how you can create this tutorial, guys. You can create this infographics. So I really hope you will like the tutorial, and if you have any query, then don't forget to write me on the comment box, guys. And if you really like the video, then don't forget to subscribe and share the video, guys. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching the video.